In this video, I'm going to share a powerful technique that influences women's subconscious minds. On this channel, I delve into what truly attracts women, what makes them like a man, and desire to be with him, whether for a short or long-term relationship. This technique manipulates the female subconscious based on the principle that everything most valuable in the universe is scarce. If you think about valuable objects, like gold, you'll notice they are rare and hard to find. Considering gold, it's just a stone, like any other. But why does it have such high value? It's because it's a stone that's difficult to extract and find. If all the rocks around us were made of gold, its value would be reduced to zero because it would lose its rarity. Similarly, everything scarce tends to be more valued. The human brain, since ancient times, has been conditioned to value what is scarce. How can I convey the image that I'm a scarce man to millions of young people around the world? The idea is to demonstrate this rarity through my actions, not necessarily through words. It's not about explicitly saying that I have a busy schedule or that I'm a rare and hard-to-find person. Instead, it's about showing this scarcity through subtleties and behaviors during our interactions. So, when you invite this woman out, you might suggest something like, "What do you think about us going out this week?" If she agrees, you can say something like, "Great. I can only do Wednesday after my CrossFit training, from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. How about going to restaurant X?" This way, she'll understand that you have busy schedules during the week and are only available at certain times. This will show her that you have a busy and interesting life, which can evoke admiration and show that you're a scarce man. Also, avoid being online on WhatsApp all the time. Don't respond immediately to every message from her or be online constantly. This would convey the idea that you're always available and don't have a life of your own. Suppose you do have plenty of free time and enjoy spending hours on social media, then you need to change that and start filling your life with activities you enjoy, or you'll give the impression of being idle. However, trying to pretend you're busy can also be a problem and undermine her trust in you. Therefore, it's essential that the scarcity you demonstrate is genuine and authentic. If you start making excuses about being busy when you're actually available all the time, it will eventually show. If you say you can only go out on Wednesday night due to other commitments but actually spent the whole week at home with nothing to do, she'll eventually notice this inconsistency. This can damage your credibility and make her doubt your intentions. So, it's crucial that you're honest and authentic in your actions and words, so that the scarcity you demonstrate is perceived as genuine and attractive. So, it needs to be authentic, it needs to be genuine. How do you make it true? You need to start filling the empty spaces in your life with a routine that you truly enjoy. You can join a gym, take yoga classes, practice Krav Maga, read the books you've always wanted to read, schedule meetings to play soccer with your friends, help your grandfather with weekly tasks, learn to cook new recipes, meditate, among other activities. By building a life that you genuinely appreciate, this scarcity will be authentic. When you tell her that you really had that space in your schedule, it will also convey the image that you're a real man. You're not a boy, you take your responsibilities seriously, and you find pleasure in your routine, regardless of it. So, that's it. Use these tips and then tell me about the results in the comments. If you liked this video, click like, because it helps me a lot and YouTube understands that this content is relevant. If I was able to help you, leave your like and subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. That's it, strong hugs and goodbye.